ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत Madhya Leela chapter 8. So many devotees request you can speak, or chapter 8 Radhamanda Sarva. In this way I can follow for her. Sancharya Rama Veda Bhakta Meghe Savakti Siddhanta Jayamrita Gaurapti Reti Ramuna Bitinai Stajgata Ratana Layatam Prajati Sancharya Rama Veda Bhakta Meghe Savakti Siddhanta Jayamrita Gaurapti Reti Ramana Bitinai Stajgata Ratana Layatam Prajati. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Siddhanta Samudra. Or Radhamanda is devotee, is cloud, Badal. Then, in this way, Srila Kaviraj Goswami Pad spoke. From the cloud, always rain coming. We see rain anytime, anywhere coming. But Sati Nakshatra star in cloud, in the sky, when Sati Nakshatra star coming. At a time it have rain, then this is very beautiful. Because Sati Nakshatra time, from the sky rain come. By this rain, so many jewels come. Jewels. In the Sati Nakshatra time, Sati star is very beautiful. Is this movement, if rain comes, by the rain, so many jewels. From the elephant, Gajamukta, from deer, then Mriganavi, Kasturi, from the Moti, pearl coming. In this way, Karpur, so many things coming. Only for Sati Nakshatra time.
What time?
Sati star. On the snakes, head have Nagmani.
在舌头上也有这个那个宝石，圆的宝石。
So many stones coming from the Sati star. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's theory is like ocean. But when Mahaprabhu came to Godavari, meet with Rai Ramananda, this is very good time.
所以当时
In this time, Mahaprabhu asked some questions. Ramananda gave answer. In this way, he took jewels, 5 types of jewels. Human life. In the human life, 5 jewels. Shantaras, peaceful mind. Service mood, Dasaras. Friendship mood, Sakharas. Parental mood, Vatsalas. And sweetness mood, conjugal mood, sweetness. This is Madhuras. 5 ras coming in devotee's life. So when devotees they are following bhakti, their life need 5 type of ras.
If they are not following bhakti, they also have this 5 ras.
And this is like hiding.
No, everywhere.
Opposite going opposite way. No right way. Like material life, sensual life. Indian people, they are following only material life, sense enjoy, very less, little or nothing. When they are following to Sri Krishna and following this mood, very beautiful. Jaya Jaya Sri Chaitanya, Jaya Nityananda, Jaya Advaita Chandra, Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. पूर्वरीते प्रभु आगे गमन करेला जियोड़ नृसिंह क्षेत्रे कत दिने गेला Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu going to South India. Then he came to Jiod Nrsimha temple. He met and he had seen to Jiod Nrsimha. Then he prayed, Shri Nrsimha Jai Jai Nrsimha Prahlada Isha Jai Padma Mukha Padma Bhringa. এই মতো নানা শ্লোক পড়ে স্তুতি কইল নৃসিংহ সেবক মালা প্রসাদানি দিল। Then Nrsimha devotee Shiva Pujari, they gave full mala and prasad to Mahaprabhu. In this way, Mahaprabhu came to Godavari. Purvavad Vaishnav Kari Sarvalok Gani Godavari Tiri Prabhu Aila Katadini. Where is he going? Everywhere become Vaishnav. Everyone change and they become Vaishnav, pure devotee. After then Mahaprabhu came to Godavari, river Godavari. This side Kapur, other side Rajmahendri. So middle Godavari river. Then he remembered to Jamuna. Oh, like Jamuna river. And outside in the forest, then Mahaprabhu remembered to Vrindavan. Sometimes dancing, singing, and took bath. After then Mahaprabhu sitting bank of Godavari, chanting Krishna. At a time, Rai Ramananda, South Indian governor, so Rai Ramananda came to bank of Godavari. He wants to take bath. So many band parties, so many people, so many Vedic Brahmins, they are coming. In this way, he took bath. प्रभु तारे देखी जानिल এই রাম রায় तारे मिलिते प्रभुर मन उठे धाय. Mahaprabhu understood. He is Ram Rai. And he wants to meet with him. तथापि धैर्य धरि प्रभु बसिया रहिला. रामानंद आइला अपूर्व सन्यासी देखिया. But Mahaprabhu sit, peaceful mind sitting there. At a time, Rai Ramananda came. Oh, he is sannyasi. Very beautiful. Surya Samakanti Aruna Vasan. Tumachi Faljan like sun god. Aruna Vasan. Cloth is Arun. Saffron color. Subalita Prakandadiya Kamalalucham. Very beautiful. At that time he was surprised. In this way, Rai Ramananda came, offered pranam to Mahaprabhu. Uthi Prabhu kahi, Utho kaho Krishna Krishna, Tare alingite Prabhu Hridaya Satrishna. Mahaprabhu also desired, he wants to meet, embrace to him. Then Mahaprabhu told him, oh my dear, Utho, get up. Krishna, Krishna. Tathapi puchilo tumi Rai Ramananda. Then asking, Mahaprabhu asked to him, are you Rai Ramananda? Tiyo kahe, hau mui das Sudra Manda. I am Sudra. I am very lower persons, but I am Rai Ramananda. Tabitari koila Prabhu dida linga, premaveshi Prabhu vritta duhe achita. At that time Mahaprabhu embraced to him. In this way, premaveshi Prabhu vritta Rai Ramananda and Mahaprabhu, they meet together. Swahavi prem dumar korila udai. दुआ के आलिंगिया दुहे भूमि ते पड़िला. स्तंभ से अश्रुकंप फुलक वैवर्ण. दुआर मुख ते सुने गद गद के सवर्ण. Both had, both embraced, both persons in this way. Then tears coming, so many moved. In this way, 8 kinds of Shakti. Then they are chanting Krishna in Phalina the ground. देखिए ब्राह्मण गणेर भैल चमत्कार. all Brahmins praised you as surprise. Vedic Brahman sab kare na vichar. All Vedic Brahman, then they are thinking, what happening? What is this? यही तो सन्यासी तेज देखी ब्रह्म समो दिस सन्यासी also very powerful सन्यासी शूद्रे आलिंगिया केने करे न क्रंद but this king is Shudra, lower class. I am restored him and why weeping? यही महाराज पात्र पंडित गंभीर but this Maharaj Rajamananda is very deep, very gambhir and pandit. Sannyasi स्पर्शे मत्त भैलयस्ते. But why touch to sannyasi at that time? Become mad? What happening? यही मत विप्रगण भावे मने मन विजातीय लोग देखी प्रभु कैल संबर. In this way, Brahmins they are thinking. Mahaprabhu found they are vijatiya, opposite persons. Then Mahaprabhu control his mood. सुस्तवैयत में से स्थाने ते बसिला तबे हंसी महाप्रभु कहते लागिला. At that time when they are sitting together, then Mahaprabhu laughed and spoke to him. सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य कहिल तुम्हारे गुणे तुम्हारे मिलिते मोरे परिल जतने. When I came, Sarva Bhattacharya spoke me. He spoke your good qualities. So, then he told me, you must meet with him. So I am coming. I want to meet with you. In this way I am coming. Today good luck. So I have seen to you. राय कही सार्वभौम करे वृत्त ज्ञान परख्यो मोर हिते है सावधान. Then Radhamandasu, Sarva Bhattacharya, always thinking me, I am his servant. In this way, any time, always he is careful for me. And always thinking for my life. तार कृपाए पाइनु तुम्हार दर्शन. So Sarva Bhattacharya gave me inspiration, his mercy. So today I have seen to you. আজি সফল হইল মোর মনুষ্য জনম. Today I am very successful, my life is successful. সার্বভৌমে তোমার কৃপা তারে চিহ্ন. So you give mercy to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. So this is sign. Auspicious Sparshini Vaya Tar Premadhin. So you touch me. I am lower class, but you touch me. कहाँ तुम्हें साक्षात ईश्वर नारायण कहाँ मुझे राज सेवक विषयी शूद्राधम. I am Vishayi, I am lower class, Shudra, Raj Sevar. I am serving to the king. You are Supreme Lord Narayana. मोर पर से ना करेले घृणा वेद भय मोर दर्शन तुम बेदे निषदय. So you touch me. You never think. You're not afraid from Vedas. But Vedas saying, don't touch to lower class Sudra. But you touch me. तुम्हार कृपाई तुम्हारी कराई निंद कर्म साक्षात ईश्वर तुम्हें के जाने तुम्हार मर्म. You are Supreme Lord. Who knows you? No understand. আমার নিস্তারিতে তোমার ইহা আগম পরম দয়ালু তুমি পতিত পাবন. You are coming for me. So you are very great kindly. You are patit power. মহান্ত স্বভাব এই তারিতে পাম নিজ কার্য নাহি তো জ্ঞান তার ঘর. This is মহান্ত স্বভাব sadhu nature. Going to any house and blessings to anyone. আমার সঙ্গে ব্রাহ্মণাদি সহস্রিক জন তোমার দর্শনে সবার দ্রবীভূত মন. I am coming not alone. Thousands of Brahmins with me. Everyone, they are melting heart when you have seen to you. They have seen to you at that time melting their heart. Krishna Hari Naam Suni Savarvadani, everyone chanting Hari Naam Krishna. Savaranga Pulakita Astrunayani. And everyone melting their heart, 8 kinds of mood coming. आकृति प्रकृति तुम्हार ईश्वर लक्षण जीवे न संभवे अप्राकृत गुण. All transcendental qualities, your body. So ordinary person not possible, they have no mood. Prabhu कहे তুমি মহাভাগবতোত্তম. তোমার দর্শনে সবার দ্রব হইল মন. Mahaprabhu told, you are great Bhagavatam, Uttam Bhagavat. When everyone watching you, at that time melting heart, tears falling, mood coming. অন্যের কি কথায় আমি মায়াবাদী সন্ন্যাসী, আমিও তোমার স্পর্শে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমে ভাসি. How can speak? I am Mayavadi sannyasi, but when you touch me, I touch you. So at once, Krishna Prem come to me. এই জানি কঠিন মোর হৃদয় সদিতে সার্বভৌম কইলে না তোমারে মিলিতে. So I don't know. Sara Bhattacharya told me, you must meet with Radha Ramananda. So I want my heart will be pure. In this way I came. এই মতো তুই স্তুতি করে দুহার গুণে. each other, glorify to each other. দুয়ে দুহাত দর্শনে আনন্দিত মনে, they are very happy. হেন কালে বৈদিক এক বৈষ্ণব ব্রাহ্মণ দণ্ডবত করি কইল প্রভুরে নিমন্ত্রণ. At a time one Vaishnava Brahman offered pranam to Mahaprabhu and request him, Prabhu, today you can take prasadam in my house. निमंत्रण मानिल तारे वैष्णव जानिया. Mahaprabhu went South India. He went any house, but where is Vaishnava Brahman house, but with Vaishnava going there and taking prasadam. निमंत्रण मानिल तारे वैष्णव जानिया. অনেক লোকে প্রশ্ন করে মহাপ্রভু ব্রাহ্মণ ঘরে খেয়েছেন, ব্রাহ্মণ বাড়িতে? বলে হ্যাঁ, ব্রাহ্মণ বাড়িতে, কিন্তু যারা বৈষ্ণব ব্রাহ্মণ, যে ব্রাহ্মণ বৈষ্ণব তার বাড়িতে তিনি প্রসাদ পেয়েছেন। হ্যাঁ, আর না হলে কত ব্রাহ্মণ আছে তারা তো আচরণ করে না, তারা তো মানে না, অনেক কিছু উল্টা সিধা খায়। সকলের হাতে তো মহাপ্রভু খান নাই, যারা বৈষ্ণব ভক্ত তাদের হাতে খেয়েছে। তোমার মুখে কৃষ্ণ কথা শুনিতে মন হয়, পুনরপি পাই যেন তোমার দর্শন। Then Mahaprabhu spoke to Rai Ramananda, I want to listen Krishna Katha. Again I want to see you. Rai kahe aila jade pamara sodite, darshana matre shuddha nahi mor dushta chitte. Only you are coming and going. In this way I never change. My heart is not pure. So, दिन 5-7 रही करह मार्जन, 5-7 days stay and change my heart, then I become pure. यद्यपि विच्छेद दुहार सहन न जाय, तथापि दंडवत करी चलिला राम राय. Don't want to separations, but that time Rai Ramananda, he went from there. Prabhu jai se vipra ghare bhikha kailo, dui janar utkantha asi sandha kailo. After then Mahaprabhu went Vipra house, Brahmana house, and took prasadam, lived there. In this way, in the evening, then Rai Ramananda came to Mahaprabhu. Prabhu snan krita kari athena basiya. Mahaprabhu every day took bath 3 times. 3 times তিনি স্নান করেন। So in the evening took bath, sitting there. At a time Rai Ramananda came with one servant. Namaskar kaila Rai, Prabhu kaila alingane, dui jane Krishna katha kaye se sthane. After that, each other pranam, then Mahaprabhu embraced him. Then sit there. After that, they discuss Krishna katha. Mahaprabhu asked to Rai Ramananda, Prabhu kahi pado slok sadhira nirnay, Rai kahi sadharmo acharane Vishnu bhakti hai. Mahaprabhu told, I want to listen. Sadha sadhanta. Please, you can speak me. Then Mahaprabhu told, ordinary life. All general life. Everyone, they are following the ashram religion. Living in house, living in family. In this way,